Hello Helen, good morning. My name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for this beautiful 2015 Lexus RX450. Kilometers is 93,905 and the price is 33,888. This vehicle comes from Alberta and it's fully safety certified. You have a brand new tires, brand new brakes, rim is very clean. Inside you have a black interior, sunroof, power seats, power windows, locks, and you have a memory 3 sets for 3 riders. You have the steering wheel, all the features there. You could command for talking, cruise control, and also you could on and off transmission, and you had GPS. This vehicle is available at this time. The Carfax it shows that there is a collision in the rear center, some minor collisions, but it's been done by a professional. Looks like it's very clean. I just pointed out there, and also they have a Carfax that replaced glass. So, but the vehicle is great. Everything is working. As you know, it's fully safety certified. And then if you want to come test drive or you want to take a look, please set an appointment with me. My phone number is 905-660-901, extension 209. Thank you.